Hey guys, I'm Singh and you're watching Tech AtoZ. Today I'll give you the unboxing and review of this suspension scissor boom arm, which is from brand Generic. I bought it at 377 rupees from Amazon almost a year ago. Normally its price varies from 500 to 700 rupees. It fluctuates a lot. By the way, all suspension boom arms that are sold under 800 rupees are almost the same. It doesn't matter which brand they are from. So let's first watch the unboxing that I filmed when I bought it. I'll just do a voiceover over that. So this is the box. This is stand mount or clamp, and this is stand and microphone mount, which I don't think I'll need. By the way, stand is fully made of steel. It comes with 3.8 to 5.8 mount adapter, which is here in the microphone mount. This is stand. As you can see, if you want to use included microphone mount, it will go here, and the mount for this stand will go here. You'll get this screw in the box which will go here. Now for mounting, widen it up according to the thickness of your tabletop. Settle it like this and just tighten it. We are done. It's fixed. So I'm using it for last 1 year, and let's first talk about its build and design. Everything is built of metal except the microphone mounts, which are made of plastic, of course. There is still no sign of corrosion or any degradation. All the mechanisms are still working fine with no problems at all. I had doubt about these springs that they will corrode or they will become loose, but they didn't. They are still tight and corrosion free. Total length is about 2.5 feet. Both of these levers are just over a foot, but the length of this horizontal lever will increase once you will put the microphone mount on. If you are using normal microphone mount, it will increase a little bit, but if you are using this shock mount like I'm using, it will increase by probably 4 and 5 inches. So first of all, I never used the included microphone mount because I never needed it. I used this shock mount with my condenser mic, so I can't talk about that, but it seemed good quality from the outside. Mostly this boom arm is sold in black color, but you can find it in blue color too, although they are rare and most people including me like black one anyway. So let's talk about its functions. So as you can see here, there's only one articulation point. So whichever side you will fix the arm on, you'll get a foot of maximum functional distance of this horizontal lever, because you can't change the angle of this lever. You can just rotate it once mounted. Now you get these different knobs here, and here to tighten or loosen things. Now here's the thing, you don't need to tighten any of it all the way. Once you fix it on the table, you should loosen this knob, because gravity will hold it in. It won't just fly off like this automatically. Loosening it will make it very easy to rotate it whenever you want, although you have to tighten this knob but not all the way. When you feel a little bit of resistance, just stop there. That way it will be easy to articulate it while using, and also it will hold up. It will not go down automatically on its own, although you can adjust that according to your situation anyway. Now this last one you have to tighten a lot, but not fully. You have to adjust it after mounting the mic, so it's tight enough to hold the mic up and loose enough to adjust the position of mic while using. And all I'm saying is you have to tune it up to use it optimally. If you want to use its full potential, you can't tighten everything up and fix it in one place. Another thing people ask about a lot is microphone compatibility, that whether you can mount this microphone on it or that microphone on it. So my answer is you can mount any microphone on it if my microphone's mount has 3.8 or 5.8 hole in it, thread in it. In most cases microphone mount is separate from mic, and this is 5.8 inch mount, and you get a 5.8 to 3.8 inch adapter in the box. By the way, even if you don't get that in the box, you can buy it separately at very cheap price. Now here's my conclusion. For this price, it's a great product. Now its price fluctuates a lot, but you don't need to buy this exact one. If you are looking for cheap boom arm under 600 rupees, all of them are same basically. If you can find one from Generic, Right, Cadence, Hawk or Tech Test, these brands, it's great. If not, you can buy one with 3+ rating. It will be basically the same. Links are in the description, by the way. You can check them out from there, or even buy it if you want. So this was the review. If you like this review, please press like button. If you disliked it, you can also press dislike button. And if you disliked it, please tell me in the comment section why did you dislike it, so I can improve that in upcoming video. And also subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Press the bell icon to get upcoming videos notifications and stuff. So I really hope we will meet in next video. Till then, best of luck.